Hi, my name's James Hannon. I'm a Senior Biosecurity Officer with Gympie Regional Council. We're here in Gympie today at the Pavilion. We've just held a giant rat's tail grass workshop in collaboration with the Queensland DPI. We've had some engaging speakers on and people have learned a lot about rat's tail grass management. We've also had many exhibitors along today, including Redback Global, who have generously shown us their weed wiper and how that works for them. Gympie region has a lot of landholders that are really struggling with giant rat's tail grass and its management. We put on a day like today to provide education and to try to give them some tools to really help them manage the challenges that rat's tail grass is presenting to them as both landholders and primary producers. So the format we ran with today was a few guest speakers, some weed scientists, agronomists, and some biocontrol specialists, followed up with some demonstrations later on. I think the format really worked because it gave people the opportunity to really sit down, get in and listen while they're fresh, and then after lunch, when everyone's a little bit tired, we're able to get up and move around and really get hands-on with some of the equipment. One of the main key reasons we put this event together today is just to help the community, give them the tools to help themselves in the battle against rat's tail grasses. I'd like to thank everyone who came along today, from the suppliers to the presenters. All of you contributed to a wonderful day and really helped give everyone some tools to combat the scourge that is giant rat's tail grass in our region.